Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you want to see how I decorated this Dusse bottle, keep watching. Okay, so for this you'll need a Dusse bottle, some glitter, and some string, a sponge, and some embellishments, and a jewel sticker on her, because I don't know what it's called, and a plate to put the glitter on. I have the glue here in a bowl. I mixed it with a little bit of water to give it a thinner consistency. So I'm going to apply the glue to the bottle in even layers because you want your glitter to lay evenly once you get ready to spread it. I'm using the plate to apply the glitter here. And I'm applying more glue. And more glitter. And that's the first coat of glitter. You'll always want to apply a second coat because the first coat is never enough. And I shake off the excess glitter on the plate. Now I do allow this to dry somewhat in between coats, and that's why I'm dabbing the glue on right here. You don't want it to be too much, so you want to dab it. You don't want to pull it down because it'll pull the glitter off. And you definitely want to make sure you're using a cloth or something that you can wash afterwards because this glitter is very messy. What I'm doing here is sealing the glitter with glue so the glitter will not come off when you touch the bottle. I forgot to mention that I put painter's tape over the cross on the Dusse bottle because I didn't want the glitter over the cross. I wanted that to show. So beforehand, I put painter's tape on. And here I'm just taking it off with the other side of the jewel sticker on her. I have no idea what that's called. So I call it a jewel sticker on her. And here I am putting some flatback pearls on around the cross. I'm using the E6000, but later on you'll see me switch to regular super glue, which can be purchased at Dollar Tree. The E6000 kind of smells a bit funky to me, and it just wasn't working for this video, so I just switched over to the regular super glue. And I'll get a better angle so you guys can see how I'm applying the jewels. There's the super glue right there. a better angle of me applying the jewels. I'm just putting the super glue and then I apply the jewels. This glue actually gives you the ability to move the pearls around once you lay them so it doesn't adhere immediately, so that's a good thing. Now here you can see the bottle is still a little wet. You do want to allow this to dry at least 45 minutes to an hour between coats because it can be so difficult to work with if you do not. And my kids, they jumped in to give me some love. I'm applying the flatback pearls to the back of the bottle now. And earlier in the video, you can see that I put painter's tape over the back of this part as well because I wanted to save that. I applied about 30 of the flatback pearls, and I'll link in the description where I got these from. I'm using a ribbon. I actually used the black and the gold ribbon. I glued the black ribbon to the gold ribbon because I wanted just a little gold trim, not too much. And I'm using a hot glue gun to get that to adhere to the neck of the bottle. And this here is the finished look. I think it looks very sophisticated and Dusse-like. Made me want to drive the boat. Nah, but I like it. And if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.